If you're watching this on a device, there's a high chance that a tiny yet mighty semiconductor chip is powering it. And now, India is gearing up to be at the heart of this global semiconductor wave. Just this week, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Semicon India 2024, a three-day conference with a bold vision, making India a global semiconductor hub. With over 250 exhibitors and 150 speakers, this event is about shaping the future of innovation in India. But why semiconductors? These tiny chips power everything, from your smartphones to advanced defense systems. In a world where technology is king, semiconductors are the crown jewels. And with global supply chains strained during the pandemic, countries are scrambling to secure their chip supplies. That's where India's recent partnerships come in. Just last week, India signed a key agreement with Singapore, and now the US has stepped in with a new partnership. Washington has announced a comprehensive assessment of India's semiconductor ecosystem. What's the goal? To make India a trusted partner in the global semiconductor supply chain. It doesn't stop here. Israel is also hinting at major semiconductor investments in India. As per a Bloomberg report, Larsen & Toubro Limited is diving in with a whopping $300 million investment to build its own chip company in India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's upcoming visit to the United States marks another pivotal moment in strengthening India-US relations with a sharp focus on technology and innovation. This visit comes on the heels of India's growing role in the global semiconductor supply chain, as the two nations recently announced a strategic partnership in this critical sector. Prime Minister Modi's trip is expected to further discussions on deepening economic and defense cooperation, with semiconductors, AI and digital infrastructure likely to take center stage. As India positions itself as a tech hub, this visit could pave the way for even greater collaboration in shaping the future of global technology. Apple, the tech giant we all know, is eyeing India's growing semiconductor industry. They are already in talks with Micron and Tata Group to source $12 billion worth of chips for their iPhones. By 2026, over a quarter of Apple's global iPhone production is expected to shift to India. This shift isn't merely about business, but also about building a resilient future. With China dominating the semiconductor market for decades, India is positioning itself as a strategic alternative. And with tensions around Taiwan, the current leader in chip production, this couldn't come at a better time. India's semiconductor mission, launched in 2021, is now bearing fruit. The government has already approved several major chip projects, including Tata's ambitious semiconductor plant in Gujarat and Micron's advanced packaging unit in Sanand. So what does this all mean for India? More jobs, more tech innovation, and a bigger role on the global stage. Experts predict that by 2030, the global chip industry will hit $1 trillion, and India is setting itself up to grab a piece of that pie. India's semiconductor journey has just begun, and with these powerful partnerships, the future of tech and the world may just be powered by Made in India chips. If you found this report insightful, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. This is Richa Dwivedi signing off. Dhanyavad and Namaste.